guys, welcome back again with Build with Nick. I'm Nicolai Bano, and today we are here in South Guildford, one of our display homes here in Western Australia. We are in specific estate called Rosehill Waters. So this house, it is a 4x2 with 171 square meters house area and 223 square meters total area, including the garage, alfresco, and the porch. But before we go through the house, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and make sure to share the video. If you guys have any further question regarding the display homes, comment down below, and I'm more than happy to answer those. Alright, let's go to this house. Alright, let's begin with this display homes tour. Okay, so this house is 12.5 by 30. It is 4x2, which is we have the master bedroom. The master bedroom is roughly 3.5 by 3.7 or 3.9. The good thing about this is you're in front of the house, so you know who's gonna come in the house, and a bit more security throughout the house. Okay, so all of the rooms, they are carpeted. As you can see, they're carpeted. They have downlights, and I do like the design of the master bedroom. It is a bit more chic style, kind of like a beach style of house, and the simplicity is gorgeous. You know, we have the lamps over here, we have this awesome mirror over here, and how they lay out the bed is quite nice as well. On to the other side, we're going to go to the walk-in closet and the ensuite toilet. Alright, so this is your walk-in closet. The good thing about this display homes is you have his and her, a separation of the clothes for the wife or the husband or the partner. And both of them, they have clothes hanging as well. And they have few more place where you can put some clothes and some bags as well. Now we are in the ensuite toilet. The good thing about this ensuite toilet, it is quite spacious. So you have the toilet over here, which is separated from the bathroom or from the sink and the shower. So it's quite simple. You have the shower head over here, and it really complements with the overall design on how wide the ensuite toilet is. So your basic toilet over here, sink, and the shower screen. So with the as you can see, this one, the bench top, they are laminated. You have option. You either go with a laminated one, or you either go with a stone bench top. Okay, so let's proceed to the hallway. Alright, so we're done with the master bedroom. Now we are in the hallway. As you can see, we have a very spacious hallway, which is 1.3 meters. So if you're gonna put a lot of like furniture inside the house, you have plenty amount of space. As you can see as well, this wall over here is very gorgeous. It has a wallpaper. As you can see, this one is just a paper where you can stick it in. As you might notice as well, the tilings or the floor tilings, they are not entirely wood. They are like fake wood or a hybrid wood tiles. I need to double check what's the name of it. Let's go around this area. So we have the walk-in linen where you can put the bed sheet, other clothes, etc. So this one is roughly, I would say, 2x2 or 2x1.5. Okay, as you might notice as well, when you go inside the house, you cannot really fully see what's inside the house because we have this edge to kind of like put a surprise what's inside in the living room, kitchen, and dining. So if you want to have a design where there's a separation of hallway and the living room, make sure to put an edge somehow. Okay, let's go on to the side. This one, onto your left, we have the drop-in. So for example, if you have client, if you have visitor coming in, they can put their jacket, their keys, and leave it here. We have a laundry over here, which is, if I'm not mistaken, 2x3. So you can put your dishwashing or sorry, washing machine, dryer, and you have sink and few more cupboards onto this side. Okay, as you might notice, the tiles are different from the floor and to the laundry. So you have options. Which one would you prefer? Okay, let's move along. Alright, and of course, the most exciting part of the house, the common area, which is we have the kitchen, we have the dining room, living room, and to the right side, we have the home theater. Let's go along first in the kitchen. This is pretty long. This one is 3 meters bench top, and you have at least 1.5 overhang. So make sure if you're building a house, if you want to push your chair, to have at least enough space for your overhang. Okay, so with the kitchen, you have the sink. In the middle, we have a few more cupboards at the back. This one is pretty spacious as well. You know, if you want to dry your dishes, you can put it here. On the other side of the kitchen, we have the induction, the range hood, and the oven. So you have option. You either go with induction or a gas stove. Personally, I went with induction. The reason is it's quite nice and aesthetically pleasing. If you might ask, the benchtop, they are cloud as far as I'm concerned. When you go to our pre-start, you can have a look which one would you prefer, which type of benchtop stone would you prefer. Okay, so we have few splashback over here. You can change the design if you like. Range hood and few more outlets when you're cooking. Okay, on the side you have few more cupboards where you can put the plates, you know, the other kitchen items. We have the oven as well, and yeah, a lot of cupboards. And we have bin. Okay, so that is very important, and of course the dishwashing. One tip, when you're designing a house, make sure to have the sink and the dishwashing pretty close, okay, because you don't want them to be far away to each other. Okay, on the side we have the walk-in pantry. This one is roughly 2 by 1.5, so you have plenty amount of space for your kitchen needs, for your other kitchen items. Okay, so we have a electrical as well inside the pantry. Okay, all right. With the dining room and kitchen, there's nothing really fancy about this. So I believe this one came from Scandi. And I'm not sure with other items. So overall, from the kitchen to the living room, they're approximately 9 meters long and 5.5 width. Okay, so yeah, you have the kitchen, dining table, dining room, and the living room, and yeah, few more space. So you have windows. Okay, so you have option which kind of window you want to put in for your house. Before we go outside the alfresco, let's visit first the other rooms, and we are nearly finished with this video. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. We have reached 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and 4,000 watch hours. So I can't wait to share more content, and yeah, let's go along with the video. Alright, so the next part of the house is the bedroom. So we have 3 more bedrooms here. We have one over here, one onto the back, and one onto the left. So most of them, they are carpeted as well. They are, I do believe, 2.8 by 4. Yeah, simple bedroom. We have window as well here. We have the sliding door. Take note of this, we're not using this one anymore. Okay, so we have the sliding door, the double cabinet. Okay, so we have removed this one already. Okay, so alright, so the other bedroom is similar with the other ones. It is, I do believe, 2.8 or 3.2 by 4. Similar, we're not using this one anymore. Good space for a young family with, you know, 3 to 4 kids. Yeah, and I do like the design as well. And you see, there's a quote, sometimes we need to lose the small battles to win the war. Okay, very meaningful. Alrighty, so let's go to the other last room. So this one might be better for your daughter, for your small kid. The design is very cheeky, very ladylike. Yeah, so a lot of colors, a lot of beach item, and yeah, similar. I think they're roughly 2.8 or 3x4, roughly between those figures. And yeah, sliding doors. We are using those one. We're not using the hinge door anymore. Alrighty, and but not the least, we have the common toilet and the common bathroom. So similar with the ensuite toilet, you have the shower, and you have option. You either go with the hobless one or without this one. So we have the sink, and now we have the bath. Okay. So before we go with the alfresco, we have to make a stop here in the home theater. So this is the home theater right next to the kitchen. This one is 3.5 by 3.5, and yeah, look at the interior. They have paintings. This one is, I want to get this one. I like the table, the coffee table, and we have a wallpaper as well in the accent wall. Yeah, pretty spacious for a home theater. Alright, we are almost finished with this video, so stay put. But anyway, so we are at the outside of the house. We have the alfresco over here. Take note, all of the sliding door, they have fly screen as well. Okay, so the alfresco, they are roughly 3.5 by 4. It's good amount of size if you want to have a gathering, you know, have a karaoke, barbecue, and etc. Okay, so we have, as you might notice, I'm not sure if I've mentioned this one before, but the house is 12.5 by 30. So you have more space to your left and to your right where you can put more plants and have more vegetation. Alright. Alright guys, we are almost finished, so stay put. We have the amazing spacious backyard over here. Approximately this one is 20 to 25 square meters, so you can definitely put a pool or playground for the kids. Yeah, and as you can see, there's a fencing already, and we have a tall retaining wall. Okay, so that's pretty much it with the garage. As you might notice as well, the roof, they are color bond. You have option, you either go with the color bond or tileless roof. Okay, let's go to the front of the house. Alright guys, so we are outside or in front of the house here in South Guildford. As I mentioned, the space of this house is humongous. This one is 12.5 by 30. We have a 2 garage port. The ceiling though is 25 core ceiling. You have option, you either go with 28 core ceiling or 31 core ceiling. The driveway, this one is roughly 20 square meters, 4 by 5, and we have the crossover here. So you have more space if you have visitor. They can park their cars 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably one more at the back. Okay, so as you can see, the house, they are very chic style. The simplicity is amazing, and yeah, the wood style over here. So you have option as well whether you go with the wood, brick, or a metal. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the display homes here in South Guildford. I do appreciate your time. If you want to visit this display homes, feel free to message me on my Facebook page at Build with Nick or in my Instagram page at Build with Nick. If you guys have any question, do comment below. I would really appreciate if you would like my video and share and subscribe to my channel. Apart from that, thank you and have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye! Oh.